The average rainfall for this area is ranging from 350 to 400 millimeters of rain. We dug this place up. We work with about 100 people, all residents of this village and the neighboring villages. If we were to calculate the number of person days that were utilized in digging this place up, it would tantamount to 10,000 person days.
They made a diversion channel which collects rain runoff from a wide area. The water flows into a series of ponds in the center of the village, which fill up and then overflow from one to the next. In Lapuria, they developed a unique system for infiltrating stormwater runoff in the flat terrain, called the Chauka system. In the Chauka system, they excavated a series of pits and used that soil to build up berms to make these compartments. The compartments are flooded by stormwater runoff, and the water is held back by the bund and fills the compartment completely. The water then seeps into the ground to recharge the aquifer. Once the water soaks in, it leaves the soil surface moist in a pattern like we see here. This causes grasses to grow in abundance, and so this area is used for grazing animals. Each compartment overflows one to the next, and finally, the whole Chauka system overflows into a larger water body.
Prior to the interventions we did in terms of the Chauka system, this drainage line would only take runoff during the monsoon. You see, water has been retained resulting from infiltration percolation effect of the Chauka system.
We're seeing water here. How long ago did this waterfall has rained?
In response to your question, water that you see today is not the heavy rainfall that got collected at the end of August. This is stagnating water now here, which is a result of our efforts of soil water conservation, including the Chauka system that we have done in the last 20 years. You see the two pumping sets, they have been lifting water from this pond and irrigating their wheat fields. But the level doesn't seem to be going down despite the pumping that is taking place. Over the years, the infiltration percolation effect that has taken place ensures already enough water has been stored underground, and that will be lifted from the wells to help irrigate the crops. We are very sure that we have ample amount of groundwater to see us through for 3 consecutive drought years. Prior to that, even managing 1 year of drought was very difficult for us.